Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed about the macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Okay. Today, we are going to discuss about the micronutrients. They needed to our body in less quantity, so they are called as the micronutrients. Okay, we are going to discuss about the micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. We are going to discuss about the minerals and vitamins. Okay, see, some of the children in our school wearing the specs like me. Why? They had the vision problem. Why they are getting the vision problem? To know that, we must know about the vitamins and minerals. Okay, these vitamins and minerals, they will protect us from the diseases. Okay, they are protecting us from the diseases and giving us good health. So they are called as protective nutrients. Vitamins and minerals protecting us from the diseases. So they are called the protective nutrients. Okay, first we can see about few minerals. Okay, mineral, its source and the deficiency, disease caused by that, importance of that minerals. Okay, minerals and its source means which food items contain that mineral. Okay, and its importance means how it is important to our body. Okay, first come to the mineral calcium. Okay, we can see some important minerals. We can see about some important minerals. In that, important one is calcium. It is indicated by the symbol Ca. Calcium, Ca. Okay, and its source is, that means food items which contains calcium in more quantity is milk, curd, okay, fish and green vegetables. Okay, these are the main sources of food items which contains the calcium. What is the importance of this mineral calcium means? It will maintain strong teeth and bone. It will maintain strong teeth and bone. మన teeth bones strong గా ఉండాలంటే మనకి మినరల్ కాల్షియం కావాలన్నమాట. Calcium, it is indicated by the symbol Ca. What are the sources? Sources means which food items contains this calcium means milk, curd, fish and green vegetables. What is the importance of this calcium is it will maintain strong teeth and bones. Okay, next one is iron. Iron, it is also one of the important mineral. It is indicated by the symbol Fe, capital F and small e. Okay, which food items contains this mineral iron means meat, dry fruits, okay, green vegetables, green leafy vegetables. Okay, meat, dry fruits, green leafy vegetables contains the iron. Okay, what is the importance of this mineral iron means for the production of the blood. Okay, మన బాడీలో బ్లడ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవ్వాలన్నా అండ్ ఫర్ ది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ వీ నీడ్ ది మినరల్ ఐరన్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ది ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ for the production of the blood and for the transfer of oxygen in our body. We need mineral iron. Iron, it is indicated by the symbol Fe. Its main sources are meat, dry fruits, green leafy vegetables. What is its function in our body means it is helpful for the production of the blood and for the transfer of oxygen in our body. Next important mineral is iodine. It is indicated by the symbol I. Iodine is indicated by the symbol I. What are the sources of iodine? Iodine means which food items contains the iodine means seafoods and iodized salt. Seafoods and iodized salt. What is the importance of the mineral iodine means for the secretion of the thyroid hormone in our body we need iodine. Thyroid secretion means for the release of the thyroid hormone. For the secretion of thyroid hormone we need the mineral iodine. Okay, secretion means releasing. Okay, if there is if we take in less quantity, that means the deficiency of iodine, or if we take more iodine means it will leads to the disease goiter. Goiter means that thyroid gland, butterfly shaped gland size will be increased because of the deficiency of iodine or by taking excess of this iodine mineral. Iodine, it is indicated by the symbol I. Which food items contains the iodine? That means what are the sources of the mineral iodine means seafoods and iodized salt. What is the importance of this mineral iodine means it is helpful for the secretion of the thyroid hormone. Okay, because of the deficiency means if we take in less quantity or if we are taking that iodized mineral in excess, okay, it leads to the disease goiter. That means the thyroid gland size will be increased. Okay, our next important mineral is sodium. It is indicated by the symbol Na. Okay, it is indicated by the symbol Na. What are the sources of sodium means common salt. Okay, we are using the salt, no? That salt contains the mineral sodium. Common salt formula is NaCl. Okay, sodium chloride. What is the importance of sodium mineral means it retains the water in our body. That means it will hold the water. We need some water in our body, no? That water will be holded by the mineral sodium. Sodium retains water in our body. Okay, our next mineral is phosphorus. Phosphorus, it is indicated by the symbol P. What are the sources of the mineral phosphorus means meat, milk, okay, dry fruits, green vegetables. Cereals, nuts also contains the phosphorus. Okay, what is the importance of these phosphorus means to build the teeth and bones we need the mineral phosphorus. To build teeth and bones we need the mineral phosphorus. Okay. Fruits, vegetables contain the essential minerals, different essential minerals. Okay, so minerals are helpful for our growth, for proper growth, and gives us good health. Now come to the vitamins. Vitamins are of two types: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. Fat soluble means these vitamins will dissolve in the fats. A, D, E, K. Water soluble vitamins are B complex vitamins and C vitamins. These are water soluble vitamins. That means B complex vitamins and C vitamins will dissolve in the water. We can know about vitamins. Vitamin and its source and its function and the disease caused by the deficiency of these vitamins. Deficiency of these vitamins. Vitamin and its source, that means in which food items we get that vitamins, and function. Okay, how it will work in our body, how it will help to our body, and deficiency disease, that means by the deficiency of that vitamins which disease can be get. Okay, we are getting. First one is vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A sources are carrot, drumstick, liver oils. Okay, leafy vegetables. Okay, what is the function of vitamin A means it is helpful for the health of the eyes, skin and hair. It is helpful for the health of the eyes, skin and hair. What are the diseases caused by the deficiency of this vitamin A means night blindness. See, some of the people will not have the clear vision during the night time. It comes under night blindness and dry eyes. Kallu పొడిబారిపోవడం and cornea failure. See, in our eye, that white color part is there, no? Eyeball was there. Surrounding of that eyeball there will be the corneal layers. Okay, it will protect us from harmful dust and dirt. Okay, it will fade because of the deficiency of the vitamin A. Vitamin A sources are carrot, drumstick, liver oils and leafy vegetables. Okay, and its function is for the health of the, it is helpful for the health of the eye, skin and hair. This is caused because of the deficiency of the AR, vitamin AR, night blindness, dry eyes and cornea failure. Okay, tomorrow we can see about the remaining vitamins. Thanks.